CHSMs. Good morning. I'm Carl Wheezer, and I'm going to sing the CHSM hymn. Oh, alma mater kind and dear, we sing your praises far and near, at home, at school, and land and sea. The thought of you is dear to me. Oh, CHS in joy we sing. Our hearts in love to you we bring. Stand, stand for the CHS for truth in love. Stand, stand for the CHS for truth in love. Your loyal children here, we stand for you. We link our hearts and hands beneath your banner here today. The pledge of loyalty we pay. Oh, CHS in joy we sing. Our hearts with love to you we bring. Stand, stand for the CHS, our truth in love. Stand, stand for the CHS, our truth in love. Someday when far from you we roam, our thoughts will surely travel, and memories we will be to be, those dear old days that used to be. Oh, CHS in joy we sing, our hearts with love to you we bring. Stand, stand for the CHS for truth in love. Stand, stand for the